So we're sitting right now in probably one of the most remote parts of Connemara, and this land is 4 generations in John's family. What he has achieved through extremely hard work and pure passion for making this work is incredible. From start to finish, how long does it take?
3.5 to 4 years, because we keep knocking them back to stop the excess shell growing on them.
When we think about the flavour of the oyster, I mean, that's when we get super excited. I mean, you've got these plump, beautiful, stunning oysters, full of texture, full of minerality, which comes from the land. The salt is coming from the sea, and you've got a whole mix of the river meets the ocean here. And then this sweetness, I can't get over the sweetness. It just bursts. It's just exceptional. The sweetness that you get at the end of those oysters is just unbelievable. You inject them with sugar.
What did you think of being an oyster farmer for a day?
I thought it was easy. Yeah, walk in the park, you know what I mean, hanging out in the water, splashing around, not doing very much. Cheers, don't you? I've been using John's oysters for a couple of years now. Oh, look at that. I'll never look at them the same way. You know, I'm a chef, so I kind of think, okay, well, there's an oyster, but look at all this other stuff around here. And I was so excited to find all these different varieties of seaweed. That literally blew my mind. I mean, the flavors are outstanding. One thing which kind of surprised me today is the seemingly simple way that this is all happening. It's oysters that are grown out on the seabed with a fair amount of labour, to be fair. He's out here every day shaking those oysters and helping them grow stronger. So it's completely nature driven. You're surrounded by seaweed that's completely natural. There's nothing being put in here. It seems so simple. At the end of the day, it's just an oyster. It's just seaweed. But it's not, is it?